Here's how to install WhatsApp on iPhone in 2026 and some important tips to get started. To install WhatsApp, you'll need to open your iPhone's App Store, and you should find this at the home screen. If you don't see it, then you can tap on Search and type App Store. Then you can tap on this arrow to open it. Then you need to make sure that you're logged in with your Apple account, which is required to download any software. So now you can tap on the search icon and type in WhatsApp. Tap on Search, and then click on WhatsApp Messenger, and you have to make sure it's the official WhatsApp, which you can tell by looking at the developers, which is WhatsApp Inc. Now you'll have a Get button instead of the cloud icon you see here. Tap on it, and you may need to verify your Apple ID by entering password, and after it's installed, you can go ahead and open it. And if I minimize the app, you can see now you have the WhatsApp icon on the home screen, which you can drag and drop anywhere you want. And you'll also be able to search it up. Now that you have installed WhatsApp, click on Agree and Continue, then Continue to enable notification, click on Allow, and now simply enter your phone number that you can receive messages on. Tap on Next, then verify it by entering a code, and now you'll get an option to edit your profile and add a profile photo. So just choose your name by which others can recognize you, then tap on Done. Now you may be prompted to create a passkey. If you don't want to do it, then you can just click on Not Now. Now that you have set up your WhatsApp to start chatting, you can see the people on your contacts that's already on WhatsApp. So you can just pick a contact and start chatting with them right away. And others will be able to contact you via WhatsApp too. And if you want to keep all your WhatsApp chats and media safe and secure, then it's very important that you click on the settings icon, go to Chats, click on Chat Backup, and click on Backup Now. And enable Auto Backup to either daily, weekly, or monthly. But note that this will take a lot of storage off your iCloud. That's all. Now you're ready to go. If you have any questions, let us know down below, and enjoy WhatsApp on your iPhone.